Losing your seed phrase is like losing the key to your crypto kingdom. So let's armor up your Phantom wallet with top-notch security. First, open your Phantom wallet app, look for the settings icon, usually a gear or cog symbol, and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the security and privacy tab. Tap there. This area is your fortress for protecting your seed phrase while you treat it with serious respect. Click Reveal Seed Phrase. You'll likely need to enter your wallet password or use biometric authentication to proceed as an extra security measure while you do not skip this step. Here's the crucial part: never store your seed phrase digitally. Your best bets are writing it down on a physical piece of paper, storing it in a secure fireproof safe, or investing in a metal crypto wallet to safeguard against fire and water damage. Think of your seed phrase like the gold in Fort Knox. Explore secure offline storage options and choose what works best for you. Phantom Wallet highly recommends storing it in multiple locations. Now that you know how to protect your seed phrase, you can use Phantom Wallet with confidence and explore the Solana ecosystem without fear.